Good morning everyone. Basa na tayo ng kapalaran ni Ralph Lauren pag-vlogs. Sobrang advance na natin. Siguro tapusin ko lang tong binili ko na to. Kung kailan lang siya matapos ng January guys. Hanggang saan ba to? 2022 na tong babasahin natin eh. Pero ayun, hanggang January 19, 2022 pala ang binili ko. Tapos after nito, hindi mo na rin ako bibili guys. Kasi alam nyo yung yung mga 'di ba may mga headers tayo na Mercury conjunct Mars. May mga meaning yun, yun ang babasahin ko sa inyo kasi hanggang ngayon naka-stack lang dun sa inbox ko. So, tsaka na tayo bibili ng kapalaran ni Ralph pagka matapos na lahat-lahat ng basahin. Binibili lang kasi to eh. Yung ibibigay mo yung name mo. Tapos, kung magkakasundo kayo sa price, di okay. Go. January 1, 2022. Basa. January 1, 2022. Mercury opposes Moon. Communications will be strained during this time. Yung mga kapwa ko Sagittarius, kopya na guys. So, libre ito sa inyo, pero nabili ko na to dati pa. Mercury opposes Moon. Communication will be strained during this time, so do not issue emotional ultimatums to others now. Wait until another time when you are better instinct to speak to people, not at them. Start a diary or journal or daily routines to reflect on for future reference. If you make appointments during this transit, expect them to be missed. Oh, cancelled, late, experience traffic delays, or get lost en route. So, ganun talaga. Unexpected visits by people you probably don't want to see can easily occur. On the health front, yung ayaw mo raw makita na bisita guys. Makikita mo siya. On the health front, you can experience colds or digestive problems and watch what you put in your body. It can have an adverse reaction. Yung pawis ko sa mata naghahalo na sa salamin ko. Bilisan na natin. It can have an adverse reaction to the wrong substances. Nakalagay kasi, ito ingatan nyo, mga kapwa ko Sagittarius. On the health front, you can experience colds or digestive problems. So, ingat sa mga kinakain. And watch what you put in your body. It can have an adverse reaction to the wrong substances. So, ingat-ingat guys. Kapwa ko Sags. Wait until another time to consider advertising or deal with the public as the ideas are good but the timing is wrong. So, yun siya sa January yan. Bagong taon na bagong taon kaya mag-ingat kayo. Siyempre maraming pagkain yan talaga. Delikado yung tiyan natin dyan. January 2, 2022. Kasi diba guys, pag may okasyon, meron pa yan. Mga leftover galing sa midnight nating luto. So, ingat sa mga kinakain. January 2, 2022. Mercury sextiles Saturn. Common sense is the rule to follow for success and seek advice from those people whom you respect. This is also an excellent time, for seeking the advice from a doctor for the correct diagnosis. Yun, huwag mag-self-diagnose, kailangan punta sa doktor. Saying the right thing can make a great impression on people now, so choose your words well or rehearse. Ay, bilisan natin, pumipiyok na ako. Pagod na yung lalamunan natin, kanina pa basa ng basa. Saying the right thing can make a great impression on people now, so choose your words well or rehearse them in your mind just before you speak. So, mayroon talagang ganun guys. I-rehearse mo muna sa utak mo bago mo ibuka yung bibig mo, bago ka magsalita. Shop for practical, nakalagay. Shop for practical and long-lasting items. Kaya ko binabasa to kasi inaano ko sa inyo yung pangaral lang ang ano. Kasi magaling yung ano na to eh, yung professional astrologer na to. Hindi lang siya basta sabihin yung kapalaran mo. Meron siya mga advices na ano naman na pwede nating kuhanin. So doon talaga ako sa advices tumitingin. O, dito na tayo sa saying the right thing can make a great impression on people now, so choose your words well or rehearse them in your mind just before you speak. So yun, pag-isipan mabuti bago ka magsalita sa kapwa mo. Shop for practical and long-lasting items because this is favorable time for it. The ability to find the right words for any situation is with you now, and problem solving should be embraced. This is also good time for writing and research. Your education may become very important to you now, or if you are so inclined, marriage plans or plans can be entered into or discussed now. So, yung mga mag-aasawa, sa 2022, January to yan. Household repairs should be considered during this favorable phase as well. Cooperation can be best obtained by working in cooperation with others. So hanggang January 2, 2022 lang muna tayo. At super advanced na tayo. Sa totoo lang ngayon is June 20, 2021. So happy Father's Day sa lahat ng tatay. Sa lahat ng ama. Sa lahat ng papa. Yun. Sa lahat ng daddy. Bye everyone. God bless.